What if I told you that the American dream, the idea that anyone can rise from nothing to success, is quietly being reborn somewhere far away, in Malaysia? Yes, you heard that right. While America has long been seen as the land of opportunity, many believe that title might be shifting to an unexpected place in Southeast Asia. A country once seen as developing is now becoming a hub for innovation, investment, and hope for millions of people, Malaysia. But could Malaysia really replace America as the ultimate destination for dreamers, entrepreneurs, and skilled workers? Let's dive deep into this question. In this video, we'll explore how Malaysia's economy, education system, cost of living, lifestyle, and growth opportunities compare with those in the United States. We'll also see why many foreigners, including Americans, are starting new lives in Malaysia, and whether this nation truly has what it takes to become the next land of opportunity. Before we begin, if you're passionate about understanding global change and discovering new perspectives, make sure to subscribe to Wanderlust Ventures, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more eye-opening content from around the world. Now let's explore a question that could redefine how we see the future. Could Malaysia actually replace America as the land of opportunity? And also tell us in the comments. Would you move to Malaysia for a better future? And do you believe Malaysia can one day replace America as the land of opportunity? Don't forget to subscribe to Wanderlust Ventures, like this video, and share it with others who love exploring how the world is changing. Because sometimes, the next big dream isn't across the ocean, it's right here, in Malaysia. Economic potential, the new rising star. America's economy is massive, there's no doubt about that. But it's also becoming increasingly unequal and costly to navigate. The average person in the US struggles with debt, healthcare expenses, and job instability. In contrast, Malaysia offers something rare in today's world: stability and affordability. With a GDP growth rate hovering around 4% to 5%, Malaysia is one of Southeast Asia's most consistent performers. It's strategically located between China and India, serving as a bridge for trade and innovation. The government has been investing heavily in digital transformation, green energy, and high-tech manufacturing, fields that attract both investors and job seekers from around the globe. And here's the kicker: while in America, starting a business can cost you thousands in paperwork and taxes, in Malaysia, the barriers are much lower. Entrepreneurs find it easier to set up startups in Kuala Lumpur or Penang, places that are now being compared to mini versions of Silicon Valley. So, could Malaysia's economy be the new playground for dreamers? Many believe so. Technology and innovation, the digital future of Asia. America's Silicon Valley might still lead global tech, but Malaysia is catching up faster than anyone expected. The country's digital economy blueprint, My Digital, aims to make Malaysia a major player in data centers, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence by 2030. International companies like Tesla, Intel, and Amazon Web Services are investing in Malaysia. Startups in fintech, e-commerce, and renewable energy are booming. The country's young population, highly tech-savvy and multilingual, is driving innovation from within. Even local cities like Cyberjaya are now being called Malaysia's Tech City. It's an ecosystem that feels futuristic: modern offices, eco-friendly designs, and a focus on smart solutions. Could this digital revolution make Malaysia Asia's next innovation hub? The answer is looking more and more like a yes. Quality of life, safety, culture, and happiness. Let's be honest, living in the US can be stressful. High crime rates in certain areas, political polarization, healthcare worries, and an ever-increasing cost of living make life harder for the average person. Malaysia, on the other hand, offers a calmer, more balanced lifestyle. It's ranked among the top safest countries in Asia, with friendly people and low violent crime. Its cities are modern, yet its nature, beaches, mountains, and rainforests, are breathtakingly beautiful. Add to that a mix of cultures, Malay, Chinese, Indian, and more, and you get a society that celebrates diversity naturally. The food scene is world-class, the festivals are colorful, and the people are warm and welcoming. Cost of living, where your money goes further. Here's where the real difference hits. In America, even a modest life can drain your wallet, rents are skyrocketing, groceries cost more than ever, and health insurance is a constant headache. But in Malaysia, you can enjoy a comfortable lifestyle for a fraction of the cost. A nice apartment in Kuala Lumpur might cost $500 to $800 a month. Street food that's both delicious and authentic costs just a few dollars. Public transport is modern and cheap. Even medical care, high quality and efficient, costs 70% less than in the US. For digital nomads, retirees, or anyone chasing financial freedom, Malaysia feels like a dream come true. Imagine earning dollars online but living in a country where everything costs half as much. That's the secret many expats are discovering right now. Education and talent growth, investing in brains, not just buildings. One of the pillars of opportunity is education. America's universities are world famous, but also shockingly expensive. Students graduate with crippling debt, making the American dream harder to reach. Malaysia, on the other hand, has become a regional hub for affordable world-class education. Institutions like the University of Malaya, Monash University Malaysia, and Taylor's University attract international students from across Asia, Africa, and even Europe. The government's focus on STEM fields, engineering, and digital innovation is creating a generation of skilled youth ready for the global economy. Malaysia's English proficiency is among the best in Asia, which makes it easier for foreigners to integrate and thrive. So while American students are drowning in loans, Malaysian students are graduating with strong skills and little debt, ready to take on the world. Healthcare and well-being, accessible to all. Healthcare is one of America's biggest pain points. In Malaysia, it's one of the biggest strengths. The country's public and private healthcare systems are efficient, modern, and shockingly affordable. Expats often praise hospitals in Kuala Lumpur and Penang for their world-class care. Medical tourism is booming, with visitors from Singapore, Indonesia, and even the West coming for treatment. Where an American might pay $10,000 for a surgery, in Malaysia the same procedure could cost $2,000 or less, with no compromise on quality. That's real opportunity, health security for everyone. Global reputation and future outlook. While the US still dominates global politics and finance, its image as the ultimate dream destination is fading. Rising costs, declining safety, and increasing inequality are making many wonder if the American dream is still alive. Malaysia, meanwhile, continues to grow steadily, politically stable, economically vibrant, and globally respected for its peaceful diplomacy. It's forming strong ties with both China and the West, positioning itself as a bridge between worlds. As global power shifts eastward, Malaysia stands ready to become a symbol of modern opportunity, affordable, connected, and full of promise. So, could Malaysia truly replace America as the land of opportunity? Maybe not entirely, not yet. America still leads in global influence, innovation, and resources. But what's clear is that the spirit of opportunity, the idea that anyone can succeed if they work hard, is alive and thriving in Malaysia. It's a place where entrepreneurs can start small and dream big, where families can live comfortably without drowning in debt, and where diversity is celebrated every single day. As the world changes, the dreamers are shifting eastward, and Malaysia may just be the next frontier for global opportunity.